Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to verify whether your iPhone Air is real or fake. To check if your iPhone Air is real or fake, I would highly recommend first going to Settings, then going to General, and going to About. Now scroll down and find IMEI numbers. Now, there are two IMEI numbers, and these are unique device identifiers. And if you have the box from the iPhone, then you should verify whether this IMEI is equal to this one and IMEI2 is equal to this one. But remember, sometimes you might have bought an original but used iPhone with replaced box and it may be inaccurate here. Also, sometimes maybe a fake iPhone will have the correct IMEI written on the box because maybe the box is original, the iPhone is fake, and the iPhone has altered IMEI number. But we should also try pressing and holding on the IMEI. Let's copy it, and what I'm gonna do is go to Notes, paste it here, then remove the spaces because the spaces aren't needed right now. Let's now double tap on it, click on copy, and go to the browser. Now search for imei.info. Oh, okay, it already has found it because it's in my history. But let's go here. Let's go to imei.info. Let's enter my IMEI number. Let's click on check IMEI. And you can see it has discovered it correctly. It's iPhone Air. It shows everything that it has to. And basically it's correct, right? Now, if it wasn't, then it is something suspicious. Now, let's check settings. And if you're not yet logged into an account here, or if you are, I would recommend signing out and then signing in. But I wouldn't recommend signing in with your real Apple account because, you know, it's not really something that I would recommend doing on a phone that you suspect may be unreal, because maybe scammers will track that Apple account later. So what I would recommend doing is going to a website account.apple.com, as you can see, then clicking on this arrow right here, create your Apple account, and creating a fake Apple account. Of course, make sure to enter a proper phone number because you'll need to verify the phone number with a text message. And when you have it all set, when it's created, go to settings and sign into that account that you have created and see if it works. If you are unable to sign in, that's also something suspicious. Also, if you go there and it actually shows Google login information instead of Apple account, then it's something very suspicious. Another thing is to test out the Face ID. Face ID is face recognition and lets you unlock your iPhone. Now, if you'd like to check it, you should go to the Face ID and passcode right here. Enter your passcode if you already have it. And now let's set up the Face ID. Let's go here, get started, and now enter your Face ID. Start rotating your face around in a full circle. And now I'm gonna click on setup later here, but you can go for that. We are just doing it quickly. Now let's try unlocking the iPhone with Face ID. You can see it works. Now let's try unlocking it with my face covered. You can see it doesn't work. I need to enter the passcode. And now, what's the most important? Let's try unlocking it with camera covered. You can see here, I'm gonna do it at an angle or maybe in light. You can see here, there is the camera, and the other pill here is the sensor for Face ID. So you will actually need to cover only the camera without covering the sensor on the right side. The camera is on the left side of this punch hole. Right, so I'm gonna cover the camera and try unlocking, and it worked. Why did it work? Because Face ID on real iPhones utilizes a 3D scan without the camera, so it works in complete darkness and works with camera covered. Only this part has to be uncovered. And now let's try covering the whole top part of the phone. Let's try unlocking it. I'm like covering everything, you can see, and it works. So now let's try the next part, which is gonna be App Store. Let's go to the App Store, and now App Store should look like this. It shouldn't look different. It should be like that. And when you search for apps, for example Bear, because Bear is an app that is Apple exclusive and doesn't work on Android, then you should be able to download it by either clicking on a cloud with a down arrow if it was already downloaded in the past on your iPhone, or there will be a get button. A get button will let you either click on install and then enter your Apple account password, or double click on the side button and verify with your Face ID. But I already have the Bear downloaded in the past, so now I can open it. It is opened, it looks like this, it works. So now we know that it is correct. And now, if you have any more suspicions, feel free to either compare the visuals, compare the system with a different iPhone. You can, for example, go to an electronics store that sells iPhones and see, compare it with an iPhone Air that they have there, or go to an authorized Apple service and ask them whether your iPhone is fake. But I hope that I could help you. Remember that the frame here should be glossy, like that, because it's made out of titanium. This part should be glass and matte here, glossy on the Apple logo and glossy on the island. When it comes to the visuals, then we should have this button for the camera control that will open the camera, this button for turning the phone off. Then on the left side there will be action button, which when we press and hold we can turn something on or off, whatever is set to that button. And these are the volume rockers, and at the bottom it should have this small grill with two holes and a charging port in between. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.